about solar panels, which have been becoming the big thing nowadays. Of course, using the sun to heat your home, heat your pool. Adam here with me with Solarscape Artistry.
That's right.
Who actually, they do landscaping, but you guys also are now starting to do solar panels to cut down people's electricity bills and to make the environment much more friendlier.
That's correct. It's never a better time right now to consider, given it's Earth Day, about solar and solar power. The significant savings available to homeowners vis-a-vis their utility bills are significant. And the ability to impact that cost and be good to your earth is a really good thing.
Yeah, as we're looking on the house right now, and this is a very large house, but we're looking at very few panels there, but that's saving them quite a bit of money.
That's correct. The panel arrays that we have on this house saves them as much as 70% of their energy bill that they used to get from SDG&E.
Yeah, and everyone's talking, oh my God, it's going to cost me $1 million to redo my house, but not really, because there's a lot of incentives, and it's not that expensive to change your house over.
That's correct. Today, between federal incentives and state incentives and financing opportunities available, the homeowner today can put an array like this one on that used to cost $35 grand without any cash out of pocket at all, finance it vis-a-vis property tax assessments and all kinds of other instruments that are available. So in essence, the homeowner can start saving from day one when they put solar panels on their house.
I like that. And what's really great about what you guys do is that you make sure people understand what's going on. Now, with Solarscape Artistry, you guys are telling me that you pretty much take the solar energy that comes in and puts it into a grid.
Yeah, the solar panels that are on this house, as they would be for any other house, actually hook into your electrical panel, and the energy that's been created every day when the sun is shining is going back into the electrical grid. So in essence, your panel or your electrical meter runs backwards, and your relationship then with Southern California and SDG&E actually creates a net arrangement. You only pay for the energy net of what you sent to the grid versus what you use from SDG&E.
So very nice, and I like that, and I also like that we are looking out on very little to do, very easy for your house to do, and they are available to do landscaping too. We're looking at this beautiful backyard, which is really nice, Adam, and kind of cool. And of course, you know what, saving money is what you guys want to do, and of course you can contact Solarscape Artistry at solarscapeartistry.com if you're looking to get more information on putting panels in or having your place done. Thank you, Adam, very much.
My pleasure.
So,
thanks, Brad.
Thank you.